In Sanbona, a private game, we wanted to visit the famous white lions. And we were lucky. 2 of the group of 7 crossed our way during the evening drive. They are a bit slimmer compared to their normal colored relatives, and they have indeed blue eyes. How extraordinary! The couple we have seen are brother and sister. They often hang out with each other, as the ranger explained us. The other morning we could follow by foot 2 grazing rhinos, in this case young bulls. They hardly see anything, but they have really good ears and an excellent organ of smell. It was super interesting to stroll around with a ranger for once, as they are very close to all the animals in the game reserve and therefore know a lot about them. Sanbona, by the way, is a project which is financed by a well-off elderly Swiss lady for many years now. And even with over 80, she comes back every year and visits the park for a few weeks. Our absolute highlight was the promenade to the feeding cheetah. She had hunted a springbok the night before and draw herself back underneath a bush with her catch. On our way to the cheetah, we passed the innards of the springbok. It seems that that part of animals smells most. Therefore, the cheetahs prefer to leave that behind, so that other predators don't steal their catch. This prey lasts for about 4 days for the cheetah. To eat so much in short time is training. However, the grooming is important as well. The blood needs to come off the legs now.